Go to your start and type in for run. Open it and here type in for app data percentage app data and again sign of percentage. Click on OK. Go back to app data, open local, go down and search for Google. Here it is. Go to Chrome, go to user data, and here we have Pepper Flash. Delete this Pepper Flash. I've deleted it. Just close it and restart your browser. Hope the problem will be solved. If you still have any issue, comment below. I'll try to answer that. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.